Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how you can hide or show content to logged in or logged out user within Divi very easily. Now this option is kind of hidden, but it's not really that hidden, but yeah, I'll show you how you can hide or show content to a specific logged in status. So in some cases you really don't want to show your content to logged out users and you want to have it only shown to logged in users, and it mostly happens if you have a membership website where your content should be hidden to only logged in members, something like that. And what you can do is just go to the section setting or the row or any module that you want to hide or show to logged in or logged out user. And so in our case, let's say I want to hide this section at the top from logged out users, and it will only show to logged in users. For that, I can go to section settings and go to advanced, and here I can open up conditions and add a new condition. Now here you will find many conditions, and it gives you so many ways to show your content to a specific role, or you can also schedule your content or show it by a device or browser or a operating system, something like that. But in our case, what we need is logged in status, this one, or you can also have user role. If you select it, you can select a user role to which this section will be shown. But we can add condition as logged in status, and here it will only display if user is logged in. If you want to show it to only logged out users, you can select user is logged out, but we want to hide this section from logged out users, and for that we will need to select this option, and then we can also give it a label so you can remember what this condition is about. So let's say I give it this label, and this will be enabled by default, and let's save it. And now if I save it all together and open it up in a new incognito window, so as you can see, now I am here and currently I am not logged in because I am in incognito, and as you can see, this top section is not visible to me. And yep, it's that easy. But now if I go back here, and as you can see, I'm logged in and reload the page, you can see that I am still able to see this section because I am logged in, and that's how easy it is. And the same goes for user is logged out, and if you want to only display to logged out users, you can have it. So let's say you hide this section from logged out users, but you can add in a new section indicating that that premium content of yours is only available to logged in or membership users. So if you are using any membership plugin, what you can do is add a condition and select user role, and here you can select your membership condition if that customer have purchased the membership of yours, and then you can select that from here. It should appear over here, and then it will only be shown to that membership. Even if the user is logged in, that content will only be shown to the membership user. And yeah, that's how easy it is. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this super duper quick video. I really hope that it was helpful. Do let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Let me know if this was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, have a great day. Peace out.